problem is that the Dayton Agreement has not been implemented. The ethnic divisions continued because people did not go back, were not allowed to go back to their homes, including Srebrenica, where the genocide took place, and other places too. So, an all genuine multicultural society, the model of globalization of today, if you like, that country, such a country, is being divided as we speak today, because the Dayton Agreement has not been implemented, especially the Annex 7 of that agreement, which is about return of refugees.
Let me ask you, what specifically do you think needs to happen?
What needs to happen is that we stop actually fulfilling the wishes of Radovan Karadzic, who sits today in the Hague tribunal. It is the ethnic division that is happening to us. The divisions are deeper and deeper because we did not implement the Dayton Agreement. Because of the fact that people did not return to their homes, they cannot vote, and they were supposed to go back. Now, we cleansed them, we cleansed their vote too. So what we need to do today is to listen to what the European Parliament says, what the European Commission says, what the European Council says, what the American Congress says, and that is to address the way of voting that actually legalizes the ethnic cleansing.